In the heart of the jungle, a colorful invitation fluttered through the trees, carried by a mischievous monkey named Max. The invitation read, "You're invited to the wildest pool party ever. Join us for a splashing good time at the Great Jungle Pool Party. Date, today, time, high noon. Location, the secret jungle oasis. Come ready to dive into fun with your jungle friends. RSVP. Just show up and roar with excitement. See you there, party animals." At the secret jungle oasis, a team of busy beavers, led by Benny the Beaver, worked tirelessly to prepare the pool area. They constructed a wooden bridge, built a waterfall, and even created a mini water slide. Meanwhile, a group of creative birds, led by Lola the Parrot, decorated the oasis with vibrant flowers, colorful streamers, and balloons. As the sun reached its peak, the jungle animals began to arrive at the secret jungle oasis. There was Sammy the Snake, slithering through the grass, a trio of giggling giraffes, led by Gerald the Giraffe, and even a shy but curious rabbit named Rosie. With a loud splash, Max the monkey cannonballed into the pool, officially starting the party. The other animals cheered and joined in, playing games like Marco Polo and Sharks and Minnows. Benny the Beaver and his team worked the grill, serving up delicious jungle burgers and skewers of fresh fruit. The party animals participated in a series of thrilling water games. Sammy the Snake and Gerald the Giraffe competed in a game of water polo, while Lola the Parrot and Rosie the Rabbit played diving for treasure. As the sun began to set, the animals gathered around the pool for the grand finale, a spectacular fireworks display. The sky erupted in a kaleidoscope of colors, with fireworks shaped like jungle animals. The party animals cheered and applauded, thanking Max the monkey and the party planners for an unforgettable day. As the fireworks fizzled out, the animals gathered around a roaring bonfire to share stories and enjoy each other's company. Benny the Beaver pulled out his guitar and began strumming a lively jungle tune. The party animals sang and danced into the night under the starry jungle sky. And that's the story of the Great Jungle Pool Party.